What does cum mean? Cum is a word that has different meanings depending on the context. In formal English, cum is a Latin word that means with or together with. It is commonly used to show that something has a combined purpose or dual function. For example, when you see the phrase bedroom-cum-study, it means a room that is used as both a bedroom and a study. In this case, cum means combined with. Here are some examples. This is a kitchen-cum-dining area. This means the kitchen and dining area are in the same space. He bought a car-cum-van. This means the vehicle works as both a car and a van. In formal writing, especially in British English and Indian English, cum is used to describe two functions in one. It is usually written with hyphens between the words. The word can also appear in informal internet slang with a completely different meaning. In slang usage, it refers to bodily fluid released during sexual activity. However, this meaning is informal and not appropriate in professional or academic contexts. Therefore, the meaning of cum depends entirely on how and where it is used. In simple terms, cum usually means combined with informal English. Easy way to remember. Cum means with or combined with.